Hey YouTuber fans, it's been a while since I shot my art house videos, motherfucker bitch. So today I decided to make a art house video for you. And actually today, for this offbeat video, I'll need some resources, damn it. And actually a photograph of Saint Anastasia Simonova, for whom I recently did a couple of my photos and discussed here, and actually I'll be masturbating using a vacuum cleaner. And here's this photo of Saint Anastasia. Here's my fen, damn it. So, let's get started, my fans. I'm using a vacuum cleaner to masturbate. For Saint Anastasia Simonova, Vovamas.
Cheers to you, Anastasia, superb.
Here's how I emerged from the archaic days, my fans. Both males and females. Whoop-de-doo! Specifically, actually, for you, Saint Anastasia, here it is. Well, this video of mine, I guess I'll upload it to the website called FabTuber as usual. Here and here. And with that, I wrap up my new art house video, my fangirls, and see you soon everyone, damn it. That's it.